Thank you for choosing Faris PB, home of the affordable double trouble. Today we will be doing a shooting video of our first product, the Tippmann 98 Double Trouble. A couple things to note here are these guns are completely custom. The right gun being right charging handle, right fed, and the left gun being left charging handle, left fed. This gun is meant to run off of two 20-ounce CO2s, and it has a front grip for easy movement. Also comes with an NC Star red dot sight, which is fairly accurate. This gun is best for scenario and woods ball events, and it's best for defense, especially building defense. Now I will be doing a shooting video. Note, neither of these guns have been chronoed. Now imagine being on the other side of this gun. This has been a shooting video from Faris PB. Thank you for choosing us and have a nice day.